All right, we're on the Disney Wonder in room 2542 in an Oceanview room. This little fish will act, Disney will drop little like envelopes, or if you have tickets or correspondence or something they need to give you at the end of the cruise, your account statement, all of that will be on your fish. There is something called a fish extender where you can join Facebook groups, and people will put like this big thing that hangs down right here and deliver presents to each other, but I'm not going to get into all that. So we're going to use my room key to just tap the door to go in. Some of the other ships, you will have to put a key or some type of card in here to turn it on. This one you do not. So I'm just going to turn all of them. All right, so this is our room. We're in Oceanview. We're going to start over here. It does have a split bath. Most, not all, but most of Disney's rooms have a split bath. There are some interior rooms I know that do not have them. Our very first cruise only had a single bath, but the vast majority of rooms are going to have at least the 2 bathrooms. It'll have, well, I'll show you here in a second. This is the other bathroom. There's 2 sinks. There's me. 2 sinks. 1 shower tub combo. Anybody who's cruised before knows that tubs are very uncommon on cruises. If you've been on the Carnival Dream class or above in a deluxe Oceanview, Carnival does have some split baths as well. They actually have a shower, and then the other bathroom has a shower tub split. Which is nice. This one only has 1 shower tub, but still it's nice to be able to have 2 different ways to get ready. You know, if somebody's over here shaving, somebody's over here taking a shower, it's fantastic. So, oh, and they do supply shampoo and conditioner and stuff, and it's actually really good. I don't like it on some of the other lines, but it is really good. Since I have sailed with Disney before, they left me a little welcome gift. So it's a new backpack, which I think I have one in silver. And I know my last bag was a beach bag, which I actually brought with me. So, a mirror. These beds do not split. If you're used to other cruise lines where you can split the beds, these beds will not do that. So you're gonna have to share a bed with somebody if you book this room. Now, I'm almost positive that will turn into a bed for Austin, so we can still have our own bed. I'll take a picture of that another time. Here's our window. Go look at that. Nothing exciting going on out there. So, nice big window. Over here, we have a desk. Then we'll go look at the closet real quick, which we put our backpacks and stuff in already. Some drawers. It's a deep drawer, deeper than what it looks. That's our back down there with my son's Mad Hatter hat for our Halloween costume. This is the safe. Oh, I forgot something. We'll go back over there in a second. And then this side, oops. Oh, it doesn't open all the way. Life jacket's up there. Meant to check. Oop. I'm having a heck of a time over here. I keep tripping on things. Does have a little refrigerator. You'll find the exact location and directions to your assigned assembly station located on the safety placard on the front of your stateroom door. Please take the time during the drill to become familiar with all right, that is our room.
assembly station